Hi, welcome to Kaathadi. In the previous video, we learned multiplication using sticks. If you have not watched the video, you can click the link in the description and watch the previous video. In this video, we'll learn another method of constructing multiplication tables. For this, we need matchsticks and some rubber bands. We're going to construct the multiplication table 9. So, as a first step, we need to make bundles of 9 matchsticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let's start constructing the multiplication tables. First we'll take one bundle of 9. There is 1 9 here. So one bundle of 9. So 1 times 9 equals 9. Next we'll take 2 bundles of 9s. So this is 9 plus 9. And since there are 2 bundles, so it is 2 times 9 and it is equal to 18. Next we'll take 3 bundles of 9s. This is nothing but 9 plus 9 plus 9 and 3 times 9 equals 27. Now let's take 4 bundles of 9s. This is 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. Since there are 4 bundles, it is 4 times 9 and this equals 36. Next we'll take 5 bundles of 9s. This is 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. Since there are 5 bundles, this is 5 times 9 and the total is 45. To continue, next let's take 6 bundles of 9s. Since we know this fact already, we will directly write the multiplication tables from here on. So 6 times 9 is 54. Next we'll take 7 bundles of 9s. 7 times 9 is 63. Next we'll take 8 bundles of 9. 8 times 9 is 72. Next we'll take 9 bundles of 9s. So 9 times 9 is 81. Next let's take 10 bundles of 10s. So 10 9s are 90. Now we have constructed the multiplication table of 9. Learning the multiplication tables this way helps the children to understand that multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. And so if they forget the multiplication tables midway, they can always construct the rest of it by adding. Can you similarly construct the multiplication table 7? We'd love to see your work. Once you complete this activity, please send the picture of your work to the number mentioned in the description or mail it to us in the mail ID given in the description. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more activities and ideas.